you are staying together as a husband and wife. You are going to work. You don't know each other's pay slip. Even your husband, how much he earned at end of the month, you don't know. Even your wife. So sometimes, guys, why are you staying together? You are being private. You are not planning things together. Even his PIN card of his bank card, you don't know your husband is PIN card of his bank card, or his PIN at his phone, you don't know even to touch his phone. Because especially when you are married together, guys, there is no secret, especially because you says I don't touch my husband's phone because I'm doing it for my peace. Why you are not touching your husband's phone or to answer his phone? We know that people, they love each other. There is no secret. You are planning things together. Even his PIN number, you have to know his bank card, his PIN number of his bank card. So sometimes, guys, it doesn't make any sense. Maybe he is sick or something, or he's being admitted at hospital. You want to pay hospital bills. What are you going to do? Even in that card, you've got money, and that your husband is in coma. You want to be treated with that money. So sometimes there is some of a disadvantage of being so private. Sometimes you don't know each other's PIN card, even his pay slip. You don't know even how much he earned. He can give you the money for grocery and go to say we have to go and buy grocery. You go to shop and pick the grocery. He doesn't give you his money on your hand. So sometimes, guys, that relationship is not means that you are not going anywhere. You don't plan things together. Even to do, you want to do projects. Sometimes you are doing your projects in privacy. You have got your business. Your husband doesn't know about your business you are doing. Even your wife doesn't know about, maybe you have got a business, you are running a business. Your wife doesn't know. Because sometimes, guys, when you saw your partner is hiding things from you, he is doing project, he is hiding from you, there is a reason. Sometimes there is a reason because why he is hiding from you. Even his PIN number of bank card, you are staying with your man, you don't know your husband's PIN number of his bank card, his pay slip, you don't know how much he is earning at end of the month. Yes, nowadays men, they don't tell their wives. But our mother, you know that our mothers, when we grew up, we know that my father was going to work. Guys, you know that my father doesn't touch his bank card. My mother can go to town and buy things only. My father doesn't know that how much she is using that money. But nowadays things are changed, guys, because guys, everyone have got secret.